Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Today we have a freaking awesome head-to-head for you guys. I've been dying to do this one. As you can hear, I'm not quite over my cold, but I got stuff to do. Let's jump right into it, guys. We got the Dewalt 12V Hammer drill driver, model DCD 706, against the Milwaukee Gen 2 Hammer drill driver, model, where'd it go? Oh, excuse me. Model 2504-20, just a bare tool. Both hammer drill drivers, guys. We're going to be doing some time test drilling into pressure treated lumber. Then we do a couple time tests drilling into concrete. I really want to test out the masonry functions on these two little drills. I know it's kind of an oxymoron drilling into a concrete with a 12-volt hammer drill, but it's going to be fun, guys. So stick around the end. I'll let you know if these are worth picking up or not. Hit that intro. Alright guys, we're trying to make this a fast video today because it's cold here in Minnesota. Alright, Milwaukee with the XC pack, looking at 3 pounds, 4 ounces. Dewalt with the standard 2.0, 2.9, so it's a lot lighter. Yeah, 3.4, 2.9. Yeah, so quite a bit lighter. I feel like it's quite a bit smaller too. So it's a little bit shorter. The Dewalt is all plastic. What's kind of chintzy about Dewalt is the gray that looks metal, it's just plastic painted gray. So that's kind of cracks me up. It's kind of funny. The Dewalt has a 15 position clutch plus drill function, and then one more plus the hammer drill function. So technically it's 17 function clutch. There are clicks in there. You hear them? Which is very interesting. The Dewalt is a mechanical clutch. Listen, so I'm gonna here stopping. I can hold it, put it on like 6. You hear the clutch engaging. Where the Milwaukee put it on 4. So, see, I just hold it and it cuts out. It's electronic. Hear it? So, the Milwaukee went with electronic clutch. DeWalt went old school with mechanical clutch. I thought that was very interesting. The DeWalt stats real quick here. RPMs, first gear, 0 to 425. Second gear, 0 to 1500. Blows per minute in hammer drill is 25,500. Milwaukee. First gear, 0 to 450, so this exact same. Second gear, 0 to 1700, so it's 200 more RPMs than the Dewalt. Blows per minute is also 25,500, so it's this exact same blows per minute. So we'll do the Dewalt first. First up, the Dewalt, fully charged up, 2.0. We're using a brand new 1/2-inch Dewalt bit. We're going to drill 4 holes in this pressure treated post and see who can do it the fastest on drill mode. On high. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Wow. Well, doesn't look like this can do it in high. Let's try it in low. Jeez, Lou, the Dewalt can barely freaking do it. Time. Fully charged up. 2-0 in the Milwaukee. Ready. Yep, set. Go. Time. Oh, man. Looks like you can barely do it. Alright, let's try it. I don't even think it can do this paddle bit test, but 2 holes, 1.25" self-feeding paddle bit. Get set. Go. I'm going to bury it up to the blue. Wow, I did it. Time. Battery is down 1 bar, I think, just because it's chilly. 2 holes. 1, 2, 3. Engage. I was just about to say, I feel like the Dewalt's doing better. Time. Now guys, I'm just doing this test to push it to the limit with these tools. I know, you're not going to use a 12-volt drill and expect to drill 1¼ inch holes all day long. This is just to simulate worst case scenario, guys. That drained it all the way down to 1 bar. I want to do something a little bit more doable. So this is a 5/16 inch drill bit. We're going to do 4 holes time, see how it does with a little bit smaller of a drill bit. Okay. Ready? Start the clock. We're going to see if we can do this in high. 1, 2, 3, go. Time. Now see, the smaller drill bit, it does really freaking good. Watch this. I like it. Alright, Milwaukee down a bar, down to 2 bars. 4 holes, fast as we can go. Ready, set. On high, go. Time. Nice. See, I also feel like that was a lot faster. Now, for saving time principles, we're going to do a little bit of masonry action. This is a 3/16 inch masonry bit. Brand new. Got the battery warming up in my pocket so it runs a little bit better. This is a fresh battery, fully charged up. Forgive my voice, guys. I'm still getting over my cold. Like I said, I got stuff to do. Hammer mode in high. I'm going to do 2 holes in the masonry. Whoever can do it the fastest is going to be the wiener. Ready, get set, go. Time. Wow, I feel like I did that pretty quick. 4 bars, fully charged up, on hammer mode, on high, 2 holes. Ready. Get set. Go. Time. Well, I can definitely tell you that the Milwaukee's hammer function feels like the grooves are deeper. Where, it's hard to explain. Like it sounds deeper and it feels like it's hammering more. Versus, yeah, I mean look at that play in there. Versus the Dewalt. See, I can't even, there's no play really in it, which is funny, because when you hit the chuck, now listen, when you turn it down, hear that? It like snaps into place. From hammer. Hear it? So, let's step it up and do a larger size real quick. Alright, I have a 1/2 inch Bosch bit. We're just going to do 1 hole just to see if we can do it, guys. Now we're just pushing these to the limit here. Full bars. 1, 2, 3, go. Look at that, right through, no problem. Ready, set, go. Time. Not too bad. Again, it just feels like the Milwaukee is a little bit better at doing the masonry. And I did the Milwaukee with a 2.0. Could you imagine if I did it with a 6.0? Should we try with a 6.0 pack just for fun? This is a 3/8 inch Bosch bit. Let's try this. 1, 2, 3, go. Time. Now just listen to the difference. This sounds like a real drill. This sounds like a toy. And last but not least, of course it is a drill driver. Will it drive in some screws? A couple 3-inch deck screws. Let's see, is this on drill mode? It's on high. Ready? Go. Not too shabby. Right on low. Well, there you go, guys. I hope you liked that little demonstration of the 2 hammer drill drivers I have here. The Dewalt DCD 706 and the Milwaukee Gen 2 drill driver 2504. I really like both of these. I've had the Milwaukee for a little over a year, and I've never had any issues with it. I really like it. Now the Dewalt, I'm a little disappointed it's all plastic, but I understand why they did it to keep the weight down. And I just wish that Dewalt would come out with some bigger batteries. I know they have the 3.0, but still, a 4.0 would be really nice. What do you think? I really don't have any complaints about it. I wish it had a 1/2-inch chuck. I really had a couple of really big drill bits that I wanted to try on these, but it doesn't fit in the chuck. So, yeah, so much for that. It has a nice LED, cans up. It's not too bad. I feel like Dewalt hit a grand slam with their 12-volt Extreme line. That Atomic line is just garbage. Everybody should get this, not the Atomic. Because I just had the Atomic, I was testing that, and I wasn't too impressed, but this I really like. So right now at Lowe's, you'll get the drill driver, the 2 batteries, 2.0s, the cutest little batteries ever. A charger in a bag is $129 for the hammer drill. Everything else is $99 for the impact or the screwdriver, whatnot. This standard price, I believe, bare tool is $119. I think the kit is it's right around $200. You can actually get this and the impact driver kit is I think $199 right now. So not bad, guys. I like this because it has a 1/2-inch chuck. You can put any size drill bit in it. It's very solid. A lot of people don't like it because the grip's thicker, but I like that. And the thin grip doesn't bother me either. This is just so damn light. That's why I like it. I mean, it feels like there's nothing in your hand at all. I really like it. So I give both of these one consumer thumb up a piece. Don't forget, hit that bell notification, guys, so you don't miss out on my future content. I think I'm just 1 or 2 people away from hitting 5,000. So I will be doing a 5,000 subscriber giveaway coming up here in the next couple weeks, probably right before Christmas. So it'll be a nice little Christmas present for somebody. It'll just be a gift card. I'm not doing mail out tools anymore after last time I spent $60 on shipping. Randy, I hear you, buddy. Thanks for the all the comments and likes on all my videos. I really appreciate it. So my subscriber buddy Randy up in Canada won it. So it was like $60 to ship it up there. So not doing that ever again. With that being said, go over to Instagram, show me some love over there. If you want to help out the channel, guys, links are down below. Anything you buy helps out the channel. I really appreciate it. Have a blessed day. Thank you for your time. See ya.